welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make ginger powder. This is very easy to make and you can store this for 6 months time. You can use this in your spices or when making tea or candies. In short, you can always replace this for your regular ginger. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 250 grams of fresh ginger. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Now let's peel the skin off. You can either use a knife or fork to peel the skin off. Likewise, peel the skin off every ginger piece and keep it ready. Now cut them into thin slices like this. Then chop every slice into small pieces. The smaller the ginger pieces are, the less time it's going to take for drying. So go with fine chopping to reduce the dry time. Now we are ready with all the small pieces of ginger. Transfer them to a white steel plate. Spread it well. Sun dry for 2 days until the ginger becomes nice and dry. It's been 2 days now and our ginger pieces are nicely dried. Transfer them to a mixer jar and grind it to a very fine powder. Now our dried ginger powder is ready. Store in an 8-8 container and you can enjoy this for 6 months time. You can use this for 1 year if stored in refrigerator. Very healthy substitute for our regular ginger with no compromise in taste. So do try this ginger powder recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To a mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of coriander seeds and 1 cardamom. Pound this coarsely. Just breaking the ingredients into small pieces should be good enough. Now we are done, so keep this ready. Let's now start to make the chukumalli coffee. Heat a saucepan. To this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on high throughout the process. To this add the pound ingredients. 1 teaspoon of dried ginger powder. If you don't have dried ginger powder, you can add a piece of dried ginger. Then add a tablespoon of palm sugar candy. You can adjust the quantity as per taste. If you don't have palm sugar candy, you can alter it with jaggery with the same quantity. Let this boil for 2 to 3 minutes until the water reduces to 1 cup. Now the water has nicely reduced and it has absorbed the flavors of the coriander seeds, dried ginger powder and the palm sugar candy. So go ahead and off the flame. Now a healthy and tasty chukumalli coffee is ready. Strain it and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very refreshing and healthy substitute for our regular coffee. So give this chukumalli coffee recipe a try and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.